In this video, we are going to show you how to add PDFs in ManyChat. Now, you can do this if you're setting up an automation. So to do this, again, you need to be on your dashboard. And once you are here, you want to hover your mouse. If you look at your left-hand side, you want to hover your mouse on automation and click this. And it's going to be bringing you to your automations page. And you want to, for example, you want to start a new automation like so. This is what you're going to see, right? And here, you're going to have add-on blocks here. So scroll down. If you want to click on more, this new pop-up will appear. You can add files to the message. So clicking this is where you can actually add PDFs or give the option to add PDFs. So if you click on file, it's going to open you this, and it's going to open the folder that you're at. And if you have a PDF like this, you can click open. And it's going to upload the PDF on this part right here. And as you can see here, it is now uploaded to this section of your automation. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.